Toffet.
That's your butch. Als je nooit na veel keer, je van die worms. Because look at matches.
Brilliant.
Slow waring nu.
Niet abonneer, het is alweer. Wat abonneer voor uitzien. Nou. Dit jaar camera goed, man. Die heftig het voor is uit. Die slecht in het door, Johan, op. Watching you in films with a kids are going ashore and some of you on islands.
Probably say singing.
In terms of setting these up.
The summer.
There you are. I don't know how you've seen one used like that, Kenny?
Looks like a paddle thing that we used to have.
Aye.
Alright, it's good there. What?
So you've got to be going up the hill though. It's not very good that, is it?
A bit of space on it. It started off okay.
Extra strike, boom, 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 and straight boom, 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 like that. Ends out like the arm. That's right. Just mince it a little, like, you know. It's a beauty. There's one there, one thing that's almost tempted to bring it up here.
Garger, haven't you?
Seen with branches, huh?
That's how you would have recognised it about 2,000 years ago. As
Yeah.
it's hazel, cowhide, and it's horsehair doing the bindings.
Oh, yeah.
And there's wooden pegs where, like here for example, you've got
Alright.
you need a tight joint. Get your cowhide, soak it, split it, put your peg through and just let it dry.
Right.
And I mean, when you feel it, you'll
Alright.
better than
Just
fibre,
yeah.
you know. And of course you've got your rubber.
Right.
Or you stick it up right into the area. Yeah.
Weird.
But,
See you, Jeff.
yeah.
Sad now.
But that's how it would have. They would. So cheap that you can get a water-based like felt roofing solution. We use that for repair. But the initial bit is planning coat stretched over. The first coating is bitumen, 3/4 bitumen and 1/4 turpentine or thinner, and that's soaked in through both sides. So when you've got inside and outside